Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily add a new city to your WeatherProg app on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to open Weather, and here you will find this button. Here you can see this image of 3 lines, so just click on it and you will see black screen, and here on the top of right you will see plus, so just click on plus. And just now you need to enter some city you want to view weather, for example London. So here you can see London, England, so just click on it, and here you will find that it successfully added new city to our application Weather on iPhone, and we successfully can view what weather now it is, or what weather will be in London on Saturday, on Monday, on Tuesday, and by time we also can view that now it's raining, and we can view that what weather will be in the morning. So it's really helpful if you like to travel and you want to add some city you will go with your family or with your friends or maybe for alone, and just you need to view what weather will be there, and you don't like to open browser and just start searching in different sites weather. So how you can switching between different cities? So just turn left here, not here, because if you turn it left or right on the clock, here you can see clock, so 13 o'clock, 14 o'clock, it will switching clock, but when you turn left or right on days, it will switching your cities. So here you can see that we successfully can switch in different cities, from different cities. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.